Hi, welcome to shafimon.com. Once again, one more review video with Shafimon. I'm Shafimon with you. Welcome back to my unboxing video of a new lens. I got a new packet from AAB World Kuwait. Of course, this will be a Sigma lens. I am eagerly waiting to see the things inside, what it is. Wow, this is a 14-24 f2.8 DG lens, a full frame 14-24 lens, a new arrival from Sigma. It's an art series lens. Let me open this one. Before that, let me keep these things here. Okay, this is the box, a beautiful white box with printed Sigma, and I took this one for Canon mount, which is available for Canon, Nikon and Sony mount. I took it for Canon to test with my Canon camera. Let me open this. As like all the art series lenses, this has a strap with this and warranty, user manual, and these documents. Just keep it aside. It might be helpful for you in the future for the service. And a beautiful padded pouch. This is the lens. Oh, let me open inside. This is not the lens, this is a pouch. Okay, wow, this is the lens. As I expected, this is the same look of a 14mm prime lens which we released earlier, and this one is a 14-24 f2.8 lens. In the first look, it's a very big solid lens, a well built and strong lens, which is f2.8, and this has a focus dial. As like all the art series lenses, this has a focus dial also, and the beautiful art series symbol and AF and MF switch. Also the lens code is written here, it's 018, and Sigma 14-24 1:2.8 DG. DG means a full frame lens, and 14-24, the focus mark is over here. This is the zoom ring, and here is the focus ring. In art series lenses, they make a new technology for the focus ring, which is in the end of the lens. This lens is also in the category, especially in the wide angle lenses. So let me open this. The look is almost like 98% same like 14mm prime lens. If somebody of you have seen a 14mm prime lens, this is the same thing. It doesn't have any big difference, but this has the ability to zoom from 14mm to 24mm. It's great. While we focus, the front element will move. And this hood is detachable in the factory. So if somebody want to make this lens as a cine lens, like used for film shooting, they can send this lens back to the factory. They will remove this hood and they will make circular, which is more flexible for video shooting. So this lens has two abilities. One is for photo and the other one is for video. And about this lens, the lens is well built, a very big solid, and it's a bit heavy also. It's around more than 1 kilo. I didn't check the real weight of this one. It's a very little bit weight lens, so you need to have a good camera body to hold this one. And the back side is like this, and this is the front element. If you are a landscape photographer and if you want to shoot long exposure type of photography, you need a special filter system to hold your filter, and you need a minimum 150mm filter system for this one, same like 14mm lens. And the aperture of this one is 2.8, so it's good for low light photography and low light landscape, low light indoor, all type of photography you can do with this one. That's it. This is the first look of this lens. I will be testing this lens outside. I'm gonna travel with this lens. I'm gonna shoot many locations. I'm gonna shoot in the night, I'm gonna shoot in the day. All images I will upload in my website shafimon.com. You can visit my website from today. You're gonna see the result from this lens 14-24 f2.8 art series lens. an ASM lens I have a hands-on. It's brand new, just released recently, 1 month back. So this is the lens. If you are a prime lover, you can go for 14mm, 20mm, 24mm. There are many prime lenses in Sigma Art series. But if you are a traveler, you are not looking for a specific focal distance. If you want little bit zoom with a great sharp images and little bit zoom in the range, this is the best lens for you, 14 to 24, which is great landscape wide. It means you can have from 14mm till 24mm. It's a very good focal distance. So you can see all the result in my website. No need to tell more. I took this lens from AAB World Kuwait, and they are the authorized distributors in Kuwait. If you go there, you can have a hands-on with this lens. You can check the weight, and you can hands-on this lens. And also, if you are in GCC, if you want to buy this lens from them, you can visit their website, aabworld.com, and you can even contact me. You can visit my website also to get their link. So that's it for this lens. Let me have a test this one. Thank you all. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll be back with more videos in the future. Visit my website, follow me on Instagram, shafimon_umar, and see you soon.